So Zbcn is currently outperforming the top 200 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Is up 13% in the last 24 hours, which is massive. The volume increased a little bit in as much as we are still down minus 26.5%, but we've had at least a decent recovery. Current price is seated at 0.0033. And if you're paying attention to the chart, so the Zebec coin has now reclaimed the previous solid support zone we lost as a result of the market makers' market manipulation. In the previous video, I told you guys we are likely to get the bounce from this demand zone. Now, the demand zone was the exact area the market maker dropped the price to and got a reversal from there. If you're paying attention, the demand zone is between the zone of 0.0031 and also 0.0028. That was the precise area we came to and then got a bounce. We bounced briefly to the previous support zone, got a rejection from there, then got a final breakout and a retest on the previous support zone. I don't know what they will intend to achieve, but I think they are just trying to manipulate the price to get a better entry. And they are manipulating it to this, what's it called? This demand zone here. Now we are currently trading at around 0.00033. We are left with 33 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now I think, like I said in the previous video, as long as we continue to hold above this support zone, then the next leg off is definitely going to take us to break out of this 0.0041 resistance level. The moment we are flipping that resistance, retesting it at support, then we should begin to expect the price around 0.0057 and also 0.0060 respectively for Zebec coin. Now, this is the orders chart on the weekly time frame. The orders chart is still looking good, although we've approached a resistance zone. You get that. That's why the price is currently slowing down. But I think we flipped that resistance zone on the daily time frame into a support. Now we are left with 1 day and 16 hours until this orders chart weekly candle closes. Now, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, sooner or later, we should begin to full send to the upside. I think the full send for altcoins is inevitable at this point. And sooner or later, like I've said countless times, we are going to take out this $491 billion, flip it into a support and begin to like send higher to $600, $700 billion respectively. We might even go as high as $1 trillion. You never can tell. Considering the mass adoption in the crypto space, President Trump just officially signed the Crypto Genius Act into law. So what is happening now with crypto is a massive revolution, and a lot of people are still like sitting on the fence. Before you know it, we should begin to see trillions of dollars of market cap for the entire altcoin space. $11 trillion is very, very possible. We are currently around slightly below $4 trillion. The entire cryptocurrency market cap is currently seated at $3.8 trillion, slightly below the all-time high of $4 trillion we tapped into briefly. In a full-blown altcoin season, we should be expecting a $5 trillion, $7 trillion market cap for the crypto space. Considering the institutional adoption, the government involvement, the mass adoption currently going on, who knows, we might tap into the $10 trillion, $11 trillion zone for the entire cryptocurrency market. Just imagine what your altcoins will be like doing by then. They are going to be in an explosive parabolic move to Mars. I think in my last video, somebody said not Mars anymore, that we are going to be heading to, is it Jupiter? If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time we drop new video. Ethereum is currently outperforming BTC on the daily time frame. We have successfully broken above this long, significant resistance and now trading far above it. Now, the truth of the matter is we just approached another bearish order block zone on the, what's it called, Ethereum BTC pair. And that's why we slowed down. And that's why the entire altcoin market is currently ranging. If you're paying attention to the Ethereum liquidation heat map on the 3-day time frame, Ethereum is not like doing anything fancy for now. It is just moving in a sideways pattern in a ranging phase, and that's why most of the altcoins are also ranging. So a breakout of this range could either send Ethereum higher to the upside or lower, which is when I can begin to expect this projection to like come to pass, to happen. An entry zone around 3,000, let's say $3,100 is a high probability entry for Ethereum price. That is, if this projection happened to plays out. We dipped briefly to around $3,484 and got a 3% pump to the upside. We are currently in the correction phase on the 4-hour time frame, currently trading at around $3,555.56. We are left with 3 hours and 90 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. I was totally wrong on the price move for the BTC dominance on the daily time frame. Now, I thought it was going to reverse from this potential reversal zone I drew, which I never knew we still have liquidity to the downside all the way to around 61.37%. Well, like I said in the previous video, even if we should lose this potential reversal zone, is still a good thing for we, the altcoin investors, because that is to say altcoins are going to be in a in a bullish mode, a bullish phase. As long as the BTC dominance continue to drop aggressively to the downside, it's a good thing for our altcoin bag. And if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the higher time frame, now we are currently having a very, very massive monthly candle drop. Now, in my own opinion, we should see this drop break eventually below the 60% level, flip it into a resistance. That is when we can start expecting the BTC dominance to drop all the way to 54.63%. By the time we are losing that zone, then I'll be taking a massive profit by the time the BTC dominance dropped to 48% and 47% respectively. Massive profit, because the market should be in a massive run by then. So consider taking profit when the BTC dominance dropped to around 54-55%, and also second massive profit will be when it drops to around 48-47%. Historically, the bottom for the BTC dominance is usually around the 39% level, but I won't be waiting for that 39 or 40% before I exit my entire altcoin holdings in order to be on the safer side. 42%, 43%, you should be out of the altcoin space already, because you never can tell. Take massive profit off your altcoin holdings by the time we get to 48 and 47% for the BTC dominance. So on the monthly chart, the Ethereum BTC pair, Ethereum is still outperforming BTC. That is to say, the altcoin season is inevitable already. So the altcoin season move we are expecting for Ethereum and the remaining altcoin, meme coins, is going to last for weeks and even months. This is the monthly candle for Ethereum, and we are still left with several months until we get to $8,000 to $10,000. That is to say, the rest of the month might likely be bullish for the entire market. September is usually bearish historically, so fingers crossed. Let's see what is going to like play out this time around. So as always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.